Hello again. In question 2, 3 bells ring at intervals of 9, 15 and 21 minutes. They all ring together at 11 o'clock at night, and we need to find the time they last rang together, just before that. Here's the key idea. Bells ring together at times that are common multiples of all 3 intervals. So the gap between one together moment and the next is the lowest common multiple, the LCM, of 9, 15 and 21. Let's find that LCM. To find the LCM, we break each number into its prime factors. 9 is 3 times 3, 15 is 3 times 5, and 21 is 3 times 7. To build the LCM, we take every prime the greatest number of times it appears. 3 appears twice in 9, so we take 3 squared. We also need 1 5 and 1 7. 3 squared times 5 times 7 is 315. So the bells ring together every 315 minutes. 315 minutes is hard to picture, so let's change it into hours. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 315 divided by 60 is 5, with a remainder of 15. So that is 5 hours and 15 minutes. Now the bells ring together at 11 p.m, and we want the time before that. So we go back 5 hours and 15 minutes. Let's use the 24-hour clock. 11 p.m. is 2300 hours. 2300 minus 515 is 1745. And 1745 is 5:45 in the evening. 5:45 p.m. So the bells last rang together at 5:45 p.m, or 1745 hours. Well done. That's question 2 complete.